Do you want to know how you can add your custom songs to Spotify? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add your own custom song on Spotify. So, let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open Spotify on your app or your PC. Then, what you need to do is go ahead and click on your profile on the top right hand side and click on Settings. Scroll a bit down and find your library. You can see that you must turn this on. Go ahead and enable it, and you can add a source, or you can see that the source has been already added. You can enable it, and you can see the local tracks on the left hand side of your screen. If you want to add a new source, go ahead and click Add a Source. Go to the location of your custom music, click on OK, and you can see your local files has been updated and your custom music or song has been added to Spotify. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.